괜찮아. 괜찮아요. 괜찮아.
Aku hanya memikirkan satu peraturan penting. Kenapa kau lakukan hari ini kalau kau bisa melakukannya besok? Hahaha.
A few moments later.
Make some noodles, fried noodle. Okay. Guys. Assalamualaikum. Salam abang. Okay, here I will be making fried noodles. Items that need to be prepared include noodles, a sieve for the noodles, kapitan, and a pot that has been filled with water on the stove. First, we take out the spices provided in it, then put the noodles in a pot where the water is already boiling. After that, here I take a bowl to move the cooked noodles earlier and use a sieve like this. After that, here I take a bowl to move the cooked noodles earlier and use a sieve like this. After the noodles are ready in a bowl like this, we put the separated spices. Here I put powdered spices first, after that the oil. Then add soy sauce afterwards. I don't put spicy sauce because I don't like it. After that, we stir until all the spices are evenly distributed. After I mixing everything, we put the toppings according to our taste. Here I put 2 sausage and we cut them into small pieces like this. After all the sausage are put in, lastly I put in fried onion. And well done.